This group set was purchased on October of 2022, and it was installed on a road bike about a month or a month and a half later. So everything that I'm going to be showing in this video happened in a span of about 12 months or less. I've been having some creaky noise coming out of the cassette area for quite some time now, so I decided to remove the cassette and inspect it a little further. That's when I noticed that 4 out of the 5 holes had some hairline cracks. In this picture, I reinstalled the spider bracket and torqued it to spec, and you can see the cracks a little bit better now. They're more pronounced. And, I contacted Campagnolo about this, and they still do not consider this to be a manufacturer defect. You tell me. The creaking noise is a known issue, so much so that Campagnolo had to issue a technical bulletin on how to repair it. Check the video description for the code to this technical bulletin. If you're dealing with the creaking noise issue, or if you're having to retorque or retighten your cassette after every ride because it's loose, you need to look into this. Look into the cassette, look into the spider, and check out that technical bulletin. A broken chain link after about 4 months of use. This is a first for me. A snap cable within the shifter. This part of the cable is completely covered. The shifting, where do I start? The shifting on the Ekar Groupset is precise, very good shifting. The indexing is easy, and it shifts. When it shifts, it's good. But the shifting to the hard gear would sometimes get sticky or stay down. It will not spring back up. You would have to spring it back up yourself. Or whenever you're trying to shift to the easy gear, it won't let you. You first have to downshift, and then it'll let you shift to the easy gear. This isn't always, but it's random, and it's just super annoying.